Hey, it's Ron from the Trading Coach International. Are you where you want to be in life right now? You've done everything right. You took the job you told would be safe. You showed up to work, followed the rules, got your pay, rinse and repeat. Now 5, 10, 20, 30 years later, deep down you know this isn't where you want to be in life. You weren't made to be another cog in the wheel, another faceless employee, earning less than you know you're worth. I understand, because about 20 years ago, I was where you are right now, fed up with just getting by and ready to take a new path. I wasn't one of those 5% born with the guru trading brain, but I was ready to work smarter and build the life I wanted. Not Lambos and luxury yachts, the peace of mind that I had everything I needed to live a relaxed, financially independent life. You've seen the trading videos on your social media feed, so you've looked into trading. You've even tried to start, opened a demo account, played around, but then what? Between the hype, the fake gurus, the massive trading groups, this is where most people get lost. It's hard to know where to turn. Here's the truth no one tells you. Trading can work, but not if you're trying to do it like everyone else. And not if you're just copying someone who never had your life, your challenges, or your goals. Because the top 5% of traders who actually make money do more than just stare at charts. They build skills, they follow a strategy, they master risk, and they get their mindset right. That's what we do in Lift Flex. Not through a Discord group or some copy-paste signals. You get targeted one-on-one coaching with me, a pro trader and lead trading coach with more than 20 years experience. 5 private coaching calls whenever you need them. We look at your trades, your habits, your blind spots, and together we build your pathway to becoming a profitable trader. You'll build this around your job so you have the security of having an income while you build your long-term financial security. You'll also get access to a step-by-step profitable trading strategy, the Lift method, on-demand video lessons, and expert support tailored to Australian markets, hours, and lifestyle. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is your get-free, slowly but surely plan. Stop getting left behind. You deserve financial independence, and we're here to help you build it, strong and built to last.